A very, very, very good morning to you all, my sweet, sweet little babies. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying. I hope you all are fit. I hope you all are fine, enjoying new rhymes, new lessons every day. So here, this is Arthi Miss here, back again with a new rhyme. Okay, so this rhyme is based on the theme nature. Now, how you all know about the nature? You all know that this nature is being beautifully created by the Lord God, right? You can see brightly colored flowers, you can see mountains, you can see rivers, right? अभी आप लोगों को ये सब नहीं दिख रहा because they are being constructed by the buildings, but the true nature is awesome. It is blissful. It is a blessing from our Lord God to us. So it is our duty to conserve the nature, to serve the nature by planting more trees, right? To create less pollution. So today I'll be teaching you a very special poem based on the theme nature. Okay, let us learn. So let's start singing the poem. Okay, start. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made the glowing colors, He made the tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The cold wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden, He made them everyone. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The tall trees in the greenwood, the meadows where we play, the rushes by the water together every day. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. He gave us eyes to see them, and lips that we might tell how great is God Almighty, who has made all things well. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The Lord God made them all. The Lord God made them all. So kids, I hope you all enjoyed learning this new rhyme today. So this is your Artemis. I'll take your see off. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.